Alright, I think I'm gonna need your light. See here. Yeah, we're running. Alright, John. Poured down about 2 inches in an hour here, and I don't know if you can see it. In the dirt, there's water running, or it's wet, it's not running. Here, and so I can get that better. There, then it's coming on top of the wall here. I can back up. And then, Kathy, how about moving that suitcase right there? That one, please. Move this suitcase. That's running down the wall there. Gives you an idea. That's fine, that's enough. You can see what's going on. So it's running all down the wall. So it's coming from the foundation in the front. About 2 inches in an hour. It's running all down the wall. So here where you talked about putting the foam in, it doesn't really seem much, but it's coming from there, of course, onto the floor. Alright, you remember, it's all, it is flooding. Here's all that water here. Now, this is the corner we're showing, wanting to show your boss. It's coming from that top right corner there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Right from that top corner, right there, pouring through there. You can probably see, oh, we're actually right there. You can see that where it's coming. Okay. And it's just coming all through there. You can see, and then move that knee board for me, honey. And remember that hole I showed you here? That hole right there in the wall. It's pouring through there too. So the corrugated pipe didn't stop much. When we get that much rain, it overwhelms everything and just pours into this foundation. So we'll have to figure something out. I'll try to send this to you. See you.